Hello students, today we discuss about class 8 science chapter 2nd, that is the microorganism. Clear? माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म चैप्टर के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके साइंस से है और चैप्टर 2nd। सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे टॉपिक्स के बारे में। माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म चैप्टर में कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स हमें डिस्कस करने हैं। फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट इंट्रोडक्शन। What is the introduction of this chapter? Then we discuss about microorganisms. Then discuss about classification of microorganism. How many classes are divided in microorganisms? Then we discuss about food preservation, where microorganisms are used. Microorganisms are used for food preservation like chemical method, heat and cold treatment, storage, packaging, importance of microorganisms. Next we discuss about nitrogen cycle. Next we discuss about harmful effects of microorganisms and examples of carriers. Then we discuss about disease which is caused by microorganisms in humans, in animals, in plants. Okay? All these are the topics we discuss in this lecture. First, now we come to the topic of introduction. Clear? Microorganism introduction. Microorganism means those living organisms around us which we cannot see with our naked eye. Clear? Microorganism means those living organisms around us which cannot see with our naked eyes are also known as microorganisms. Clear? Some of these we can see with magnifying glass and some of these we can see under the microscope. Clear? Some of these we can see under the magnifying glass and some are seen by under microscope. Clear? Microorganism means those organisms which are very minute in size and can't see with our naked eyes. Clear? अगर हम माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म वर्ड की बात करें तो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म वर्ड टू वर्ड से मिलकर बना है. क्लियर? फर्स्ट इज द माइक्रो और सेकंड इज द ऑर्गेनिज्म. क्लियर? माइक्रो मीन्स टू स्मॉल. क्लियर? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ माइक्रो? माइक्रो मीन्स टू स्मॉल. क्लियर? एंड ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट मीन्स व्हिच हैव लाइफ. क्लियर? Two small organisms are known as microorganism. That means microorganism का meaning क्या हो गया? That means two small organism. Clear? What is the meaning of microorganism? Microorganism means two small organism. Clear? Next discuss about what is the microbiology. If we discuss about the term microbiology, microbiology means the branch of science, that deals with the study of microorganisms. Okay? Microbiology means the branch of science that deals with the study of microorganisms. Clear? Microbiology is the branch of science that deals with the study of microorganisms, are also known as microbiology. Now, the scientists who studied them about microorganisms, clear? The scientists who studied them about microorganisms are also known as microbiologists. The scientists which studied them. Clear? That means जो भी साइंटिस्ट किसके बारे में स्टडी करते हैं, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं, उनको हम कहेंगे माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, बायोलॉजिस्ट. क्लियर? माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट मीन्स द साइंटिस्ट व्हिच स्टडीड अबाउट microorganisms. Clear? Who is the father of microbiology? Microbiology की सबसे पहले स्टडी किसने की? एंटोनी वॉन लीवेनहॉफ. क्लियर? Anthony von Leeuwenhoek was the scientist which is known as father of microbiology. He was the first scientist which saw the bacteria in pond water. Clear? We saw the bacteria microorganisms in pond water first time. Clear? Father of microbiology means Anthony von Leeuwenhoek. Clear? Microorganisms are those organisms which are present in everywhere in our surrounding, in our body surface, in environment, in air, in water, everywhere. Clear? Microorganisms are those organisms which are present in everywhere. Clear? Now we come to the classification of microorganisms. Microorganisms का classification. If we discuss classification of microorganism, now microorganism can be classified into 5 categories. How many categories? 5. First is the bacteria. Next, virus. Next, fungi. Next, algae. And last one is protozoa. These are the microorganisms. Microorganisms are divided into 5 categories. First is the bacteria, second is the virus, third is the fungi, fourth is the algae, and last one is protozoa. Clear? Microorganisms are divided into 5 categories. Now we discuss first category, that is the bacteria. If we discuss about the bacteria, bacteria are the plural word. ठीक है? Bacteria is the plural word. Bacteria is the plural word. Clear? Bacteria means plural word and its singular means bacteria. Clear? Singular means bacteria. If we discuss about bacteria, bacteria are the simplest organism. Which type of organism? Simplest. Bacteria are simplest organism and they are prokaryotic and unicellular. Clear? Bacteria are the simplest organism and they are prokaryotic and unicellular. Okay. If we discuss about bacteria, they are found on wide range of habitats. Clear? They are found on wide range of habitats. That means bacteria are found in everywhere. There are number of bacteria are found in our body surface, inside the body, our surrounding, in our hand, everywhere number of bacteria are found. Clear? they are ranging from deserts to glaciers. They are ranging from deserts to glaciers. Clear? And the and also in hot spring. और कहाँ पे पाए जाएंगे? Hot spring. Bacteria present होंगे. Clear? Some examples of bacteria is like lactobacillus. Clear? Example of bacteria is like lactobacillus. Lactobacillus bacteria is also known as curd bacteria. Clear? Lactobacillus are also known as curd bacteria. If we discuss shapes of bacteria, bacteria are found in various shapes. Like some bacteria are comma shaped. Clear? Some bacteria are rod shaped. Some bacteria are spring shaped. And some are circular in shape. Clear? So, on the basis of shape, bacteria are various shape. Rod shaped bacteria is also known as lactobacillus. Yeah, example is rod shape, comma shape, spiral shape, and circular shape. Clear? Here the bacteria are various type of shape. Clear? Now we discuss second class. Second class is the fungi. Clear? Second class of microorganism is fungi. Now we discuss fungi. Fungi are multicellular. Multicellular means those organisms which have more than one cell in their body. Clear? Fungi are multicellular organisms and heterotrophic. What is the meaning of heterotrophic? Which means those organisms which can't prepare their own food. Clear? Multicellular and heterotrophic organisms. Fungi are multicellular and heterotrophic organisms. If we discuss about fungi, the fungi are also known as non-green plants because of lack of chlorophyll. Clear? Fungi are also known as non-green plants because they are in their absence of chlorophyll. That means lack chlorophyll. Clear? If we discuss about fungi are multicellular heterotrophic organisms. They are also known as non-green plants because chlorophyll are absent. Due to absence of chlorophyll, fungi can't able to prepare their own food. Therefore, it is known as heterotrophic organism. Clear? Some examples of fungi is like bread mold. And some examples is like Penicillium. These are the example of fungi. Bread mold and penicillium. Clear? These are the examples of fungi. Now we discuss another class of microorganisms, that is the algae. Clear? Now we discuss another class of microorganisms. They are algae, and algae are autotrophic or heterotrophic. Algae are autotrophic or heterotrophic organisms, and they are generally unicellular. That means body is made up of only one cell. Clear? Algae are autotrophic or heterotrophic organism. It means some algae prepare their own food and some obtain their food from other sources. Clear? And algae are unicellular. Unicellular means those organisms in which body is made up of only single cell. Clear? They are, and algae contain chlorophyll. Algae contain chlorophyll. Due to presence of chlorophyll, they perform the process of photosynthesis and prepare their own food. Clear? Due to presence of chlorophyll, algae perform the process of photosynthesis, and it also contains chlorophyll pigment. Some examples of algae are like Chlamydomonas, clear? Some examples of algae like Chlamydomonas. Clear? This is the third class of classification, third class of microorganism, that is the algae. Today we discuss about classification of microorganism. In classification of microorganism, we discuss about bacteria, and we discuss about virus, and we discuss about algae. Clear? Thank you.